Hello agents, hello everyone. So today I'm just dropping this quick video, give you an incentive, a little something to look forward to from my years of experience and what can happen when interest rates increase and what are the 5 awesome things that may happen with these increases in regards to just fixed annuities right now. So I put a little presentation together, so let's take a look at that. And rates are changing every day and they're shooting up. I can't keep up almost with the amount of changes and to notify you. So the best place to find that would be in my LinkedIn. And I'll show you that at the end of this video. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this 5 awesome things that may happen here as interest rates increase. So number 1 is just a natural interest in fixed annuities will grow. More people are going to talk about it. You're going to run into them in a competitive situation. You'll have a larger client base based on the fact that it won't just be the most risk-adverse people. It won't just be that CD buyer. You're going to actually, as interest rates increase 4 or 5%, let's say we get into that higher range, the people that were taking risks to get maybe 4 or 5% will be able to adjust downward without taking, by insuring their product and still getting the same amount using a fixed annuity. So it's going to open up a client base. Also, your existing clients that maybe you sold recently in the past at a lower rate, you're going to be able to offer them much higher rates. So if you were able to sell them the lower rate, the higher rate should make your life easier and the clients happier going forward. So that's pretty awesome, I think. Also, in the past, we always had much shorter terms. We were able to pull a 1-year annuity, very common. We had no surrender annuities. It was common. 2-year annuities, very common. We still have a lot of 3-year, but those shorter term ones seem to have disappeared. So we will readily see these products in the past that might have been on the shelf that were pulled, be reestablished or reintroduced, or maybe new products designed in this short range. And honestly, I don't know why there's not a 30-month annuity or fit those holes, insurance companies. If you're watching, we got those holes we can fix, fit there and maybe be profitable for you too, right? Even a 1% for 1 year at a 0.5% comp, I think might move nowadays for 1035 exchanges and stuff like that, stuff that's already in the system. Agent commissions can and have increased. Agent commissions, the insurance companies, to try and bring better rates out there, they were starting to cannibalize the commissions instead of lowering rates. So if they were going to be a rate drop, maybe they just went to the commissions and pulled that rate drop. Or you saw bonuses that maybe insurance companies say first year 5.2, 3.2 the next 3 years, something like that. Those were just totally decimated and totally taken away. So we may see those increase. In the indexed annuities, you'll see maybe larger premium bonuses. Maybe we'll see those roll-up rates increase. So agent commissions have increased, and we'll see and maybe the rates in the products also obviously will increase. So kind of got off track there, but more client-friendly features will be available at the competitive rates. So say, look back just 2 years ago, companies were coming out with products called enhanced rate products, which would give you a little bit better rate than maybe their traditional 5-year. So let's say their 5-year was 220. You might be able to get the enhanced rate at 250. But what did they take away for that enhanced rate? The death benefit normally is full accumulation value. You want to see that. They were charging the surrender value unless you took it over 5 years or there were some limitations there. Interest withdrawals were not available at all. No withdrawals. Death benefit. Yeah, we talked about that. No waivers or anything like that. And they added these recurring surrender charges. So it used to be you could walk away at the end of the time. These recurring surrender charges were brought in as a way the insurance company maybe can keep more of that money on the books, offer more in advance on that. So hopefully we'll be able to see, there's no reason really not to get a product with some type of free withdrawal, 100% full death benefit, some type of waiver, and even some kind of enhancement in the first year. Those should begin or be more available with the better rate. So actually, if you look at these enhanced rates, I know one of the enhanced rate products is at 3.5 on a 3-year, or you have the fully loaded client-friendly product at 4. So really, there's no reason to go to a limited product when the fully loaded ones are available readily. And of course, immediate annuity income rates will now compete with more risky options. So you won't maybe have to take a risk to get your lifetime income or your 10-year income as much of a risk. So the internal rate of return on SPIAs has increased. And when you compare that to other income now, like right now, income options, the immediate annuity is going to be a real contender. And maybe even beat it. So what you can see here is if you're going to annuitize, or if someone's got a roll up in an index and they're about to pull the trigger, well, you take that out and shop that SPIA to make sure you're getting the best income and all those other features. So if you can shop that SPIA and go from $1,000 a month for someone and bring them 11, 12, 1,300 a month, those are the type of increases we'd like to see when you annuitize. So whether it be a pension plan, whether it be just any type of annuitization, or maybe a bond fund, I don't know, any type of person offering, it's time to shop that SPIA. And I think you might be pleasantly surprised on how much they've increased in the last couple of years, from being completely maybe not competitive or a low internal rate of return to a much more competitive rate of return with that forever longevity protection that most other products don't offer. So those are the 5 awesome things I think that can happen. You get natural interest. We're going to have shorter term products, which will also open up more clients. Your commissions are going to get better. They've been decimated, cannibalized. More client-friendly features, no more of this limited, no withdrawals. It's all going to be included. And again, immediate annuities for lifetime income period, certain split annuities, anything you might need a structured payment for, those are going to be way more competitive as well. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's the end of our presentation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, right here, 800-373, we answer the phone. Follow me on all these Rumble, LinkedIn, YouTube stuff over there. Again, LinkedIn is... I put out daily, like yesterday I did 3 different things as they came up. I've been out today on LinkedIn. So all good stuff. Follow me on those social media. Hope you're all having a good week. I hope this gives you some incentive and something to look forward to regarding annuities going forward. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Be doing a monthly equivalent yield video next. So stay tuned. Thanks. Bye-bye.